Good morning, my friends. You see this plastic tractor that is worth nothing? It is supposed to be a New Holland. Let's make it a New Holland. This is the old super steer models. The wheels sit right in the front. And let's take this off. Okay, it is dismantled. Start taking shape. Okay guys, a lot of details still to come in it. Okay guys, let's do some fine-tuning or detailing rather. Let's do a bit of this color on the rims. Okay guys, I think it's ready to assemble as soon as all the paint is dry. Okay, see you a bit later. Okay guys, I think we are finished. Let us look a little bit from both sides or all sides. I messed up a few places with the detailing. Okay guys, I think it can go to the cupboard. Hope you like it and see you on the next video. Bye bye.